Hi, welcome to Tower of Truth. This is a channel for general intuitive readings. I'm going to do a quick collective reading. I'm trying to get a number of these shorter videos out. My guides seem to actually be letting me do shorter videos right now, which is nice. Just get a few messages out there quickly for those of you that may need a little support in some area. Let's see what they have coming through for you. Oh, okay. Seven of Wands. Clarify the Seven of Wands, please, Spirit. What does this collective need to know? Okay. Someone here is overwhelmed by their current circumstances. It could very much be in regards to money. It could also be a situation, a connection, a relationship in which you feel left behind, left out. The truth of the situation is painful for you. You may feel that you are fighting against the situation or against others involved in the situation. You may feel that the situation is going to take you over. Yeah, we have the King of Pentacles here. At the bottom of the deck, we have the King of Swords, who in this deck is like stabbing himself. It's like the truth is hurting you. I'm going to keep that one out. Whatever this is, it is painful to face. It could be an aspect of yourself or your situation. Let's see, what is this about, please, Spirit? Clarify the Seven of Wands, Five of Pentacles reversed. Clarify the Seven of Wands, Five of Pentacles reversed. Justice, the Fool, Nine of Pentacles. Yeah, so I do feel that this somehow involves money. You could be facing karma. It doesn't seem like it is positive karma. You could be facing karma for something you've done here. Because justice is, it's either that you are facing karma and this pain that you're facing is the justice, or whatever you are dealing with currently will be, like, the situation will resolve itself. There will be a balanced outcome eventually. Take it as it resonates for you. You'll know if this is negative karma for something you've done. You intuitively know. I'm getting, yeah, that you've been, this doesn't apply to you. It doesn't apply to you, but a majority here, you did something foolish in regards to money, in regards to finances, and it backfired. Oh yeah, okay. So with the King of Pentacles here above the Nine of Pentacles, and the King of Pentacles being a little devil in this deck, you were selfish, you were greedy, you did something that was, maybe it was illegal, maybe it was just sketchy, maybe it was like taking from others in some way because you wanted to be self-sufficient. You wanted to be in this. The Nine of Pentacles is someone who is very well off on their own. They look abundant to others, you know. It could very much be your image that you were focused on, your image in regards to finances, the way how much money you have makes you appear to others. And so you went about getting it in the wrong way. And now you're either losing it or people are just seeing the truth of what you've done, and you're losing people and being left out in the cold by them in connections. They're walking away from you because they don't want to be a part of this, because maybe you left them with nothing but this little bag and they're like, you know what, fine. If you want to be that way, I'll take my little bag and I'll go be happy somewhere else. Could be that someone did this to you. You know, this is a collective reading. The roles can be reversed, so please apply it how it fits your situation. There's a lot of masculine energy coming through, so I am getting that whoever, either the person I'm addressing is a masculine, or the person that did this foolishness with the money is a masculine. Yeah, I'm just seeing so much masculine energy here. It's like whatever you set up, if you're the one that was doing this in regards to the finances, whatever you set up, whatever you lit a fire underneath is being put out. And you're trying to block it from being destroyed, trying to keep it from being destroyed, but it's not going to work. You went about taking this in the wrong way. You went about acquiring this abundance in the wrong way, and it's going to be taken away. Justice will be had here, will be found. You're having to face the truth of that you were blinded in the way you were going about things, and now you're having to start over and do it the right way. What else to you, Spirit? Anything else you want to say to this group? Clarify these cards for me, please, Spirit. Yeah, whatever foundation you built is being torn down, and you're resisting that. You're really trying to resist it, but you're not going to be able to. You're being faced with the truth of your past, the truth of yourself, with these. See how it's like the egg and then the chicken being hatched from it, with it reversed. It's like you're being forced to go back into the egg and start over. Another image here of like it's like what you've built here, the fire you're trying to keep lit, being torn down, put out by this water here. Yeah, anything else for this group? That was too many. Let's try that again, please. Yeah. Thank you. Yeah. It's like about where you direct your energy and the way you direct it, the choices you make, and the choices that you've made, the direction that you chose burned you. So you're being chose to take a different path now. You're being guided, You're being given clarity through this situation on your true path, your true direction, the way of being that you should be embodying instead of how you've been going about things. Last messages, please. Last messages, please. Yeah, regain balance. You've been like overindulging in the way you go about things. It's been very it's like you want your dream life, which there's nothing wrong with that, but you're taking it at the cost of others and the cost of your emotional well-being, your emotional balance. You've been taking more than you need, overindulging. It was like this desire to live the good life, you know what I mean? Like to be able to go out whenever you like, to buy, I don't know, like treat yourself, like have the extras in life whenever you like. And again, there's nothing wrong with that, but you were taking it in this way that was like, I deserve this, and in a way that is unhealthy, that is, I mean, I don't know these specifics, this is a collective reading, but I get the impression that you were taking from others or doing something immoral or selfish. I get the impression that it was taking from others in some way. And in a selfish way, you know, it wasn't because you needed it that you needed more. And again, it's okay to desire more in your life, but you have to have gratitude for what you already have. And you cannot taking from others or taking, how do I say this? It is fine to manifest more. To manifest, I mean, really as much money as you want, as the universe, well, I feel called to say as the universe will allow you to. So it is, I mean, to a degree what you want, but you can't go beyond. What are you trying to say, Spirit? How do you want me to say this? Okay. So you can have as much as you desire, but not in the energy you're in. The universe is saying until you have a certain amount of gratitude for what you already have, and they are blocking your abundance because they want you to be in a different energy. They want you to be a generous soul, someone who, when they have more, gives more to others. Okay, there are, they said there are, like, it's lack mindset. You have a lack mindset no matter how much money you have. It's like, I mean, maybe you grew up without a lot of money and it's like you really want to change that, and again, that's fine, but you're going about it in the wrong way, and Spirit would like you to see that. To see that you were overindulging It's not just about money either. It's what the energy you've been in is not good for your soul. It's not good for your emotional state, your mental state. It's not good for your relationships. I mean, there are people that are leaving you behind, at least emotionally, spiritually. They are disconnecting from you if they have not physically left your life yet. You have caused a disconnect between you and these people due to this desire to have more than them or to appear a certain way to them. It's like they sense it, even if you haven't literally stolen money from them or tried to, I don't know, maybe it's people you work with and you tried to one-up them to get a promotion that they were in line for, something like that. Whatever the case may be, it's like you went about it in the wrong way, and so, people see that and they're disconnecting from you because of it. So you're being guided to go back, start over. You're not going to be given that promotion or that bonus or this abundance until you have a different mindset in regards to abundance in general. Address your lack mindset. Do some work on that. It's shadow healing. You've got some shadow work to do, some integration here. Yeah, you've got healing to do. Find some balance in your life within yourself first. And then these things will fall into place more easily, more naturally. And then you can then take action on them, fiercely. You can move towards your manifestations with great passion and ferocity, but not with selfishness, not with impure motives. I know that might seem contradictory when you look at the world currently, but there are people getting their negative karma, whether you see it or not, and Spirit is teaching you this lesson. Don't worry about other people. They're receiving their lessons in their divine timing. So focus on your situation and your healing. I hope this helped. Take care.